Hello, good morning children. Good morning to everyone. Children, I am audible. Can you listen me? Yes? Tell me. Can you listen me? Am I audible? Okay. So all of you can listen to me? Yes. Very good. So children, today our class time is changed. In place of 1 o'clock, we are here at 11 o'clock due to some changes between English and maths. So I think 1 o'clock your English class will be there. Okay. So children, yesterday, day before yesterday, we have finished our lesson number 9, that is half and quarters. I think all of you got each and every concept. If you have any problem, then you can tell me. If you have any problem, then you can tell me and I can solve your problem. I can tell you again. Okay? If you have any problem, anybody has any problem, then you can ask the question. Any question. Okay? So that there should not be any confusion, any doubts, any difficulty among you. Okay? Okay, so all of you saying no problem is there, but children, many less children are watching or they are participating in live class. Very less number of children are there. Okay? Okay, no problem. What can we do? Who are present here, they will learn, and who are not present, then what can we do? Okay? So, once again, I am telling you that all of you, means those children who are present in live class, they have submitted the worksheet, but I think some children are there who are not submitting. Maybe that they are not participating in the class or some other problem what I cannot tell you. But most of the that children have done, and some of the worksheet is checked and some worksheet I will check very soon. Okay? And after some days I will post the worksheet for lesson number 9 also. Okay? Now here we have to discuss lesson number 10, that is play with patterns. This is the our beginning of the lesson. So first of all, I want to know that what do you mean by pattern? My question is, what do you mean by pattern? Because you have done these patterns in lesson class 3rd and 2nd also. There was the lesson play with pattern or patterns were there. So what is patterns? What do you mean by patterns? Design. Design, every design cannot be a pattern. Huh? This is what ma na means. You are writing then you can write that mama also, you can write that Anglesariya, you can write mama also. Why you are writing the ma na? Okay. Okay. So you have create one pattern. This is the example of one pattern. It is not the meaning of the pattern. Okay. Okay, no problem. Why you are deleting this one? Because the example of pattern is there. Okay, there is no problem. But I want to know that what is the definition of the pattern? How can you say that any design are there which is which can be considered as a pattern? Huh? Yes, this Devans Jain is saying that, and Yashika Jain is also saying pattern is a repeated design. Very good. And this is a thing that continue in same way. Okay. Any other answer? Pattern are a special design which always repeat. Okay. Very good. pattern of anything that is continuously repeating. Okay, repeated design. Very good. So all of you are this answering correctly. So it means when any design or shape, or anything is repeated in a special way, a particular sequence, in a particular sequence, if it is repeating any design, any shape, then it is called a pattern. When a shape, if a shape or design is repeated continuously in a particular manner or in proper sequence, in a particular sequence, then it is called a pattern. Is it okay? Now, where have you seen pattern? Where have you seen pattern? What are the things where you can see the pattern? Yes, anybody? Anybody can tell? What are the things where you can see the pattern? Okay. On bed sheet, very good. On floor, very good. On curtain, very good. Bed sheet, on wall also sometimes you can see. Vase and floor. Any other? Yes. In a wallpaper, very good. On floor, on plate, mat, yes, drawing, bottle. In bottle, what pattern you can see? I could not understand. Okay, so many answers are there, so you can see. So you have seen the pattern. You can write a window also, window grill. In window grill also you can see the patterns are there. Okay. So in blanket, yes, in cloth, whenever you are stitching a shirt or some in books, books it can be made just line pattern is there. So many places you can see the patterns. Whenever you are sitting in the classroom, then your desk are arranged in form of a pattern. Okay, so many patterns. So you can give the example as the curtain, wall, window grill, this mat, bed sheet, curtain. So all these things you can write for the painting also, wall painting also you can write. So all these are the examples of the pattern. So first question we will write here. Very first question is, what do you mean by a pattern? A pattern. Answer is here. Right answer. If a shape, if the shapes are designs repeated in a particular manner or way, or we can write a sequence is called a pattern. This is the definition of a pattern. Now next question is, where can you see the patterns? The patterns. Answer is here. Answer, bed sheets, curtains, window grill, and this tie or cloth. You can tie cloth and sari, okay, and this on some classroom, floor, etc. So many places are there where you can see the pattern. Okay. So these are some examples on which we can see the pattern. Different patterns can be seen. Okay. Now in your textbook also some patterns are there, and you can see. I will give you some patterns are given in your textbook and you can do on your own. Okay. So you will do the page number 108 and page number 109. On page number 107, some patterns are two patterns are there here, and on page number 108 also one pattern is given here. Dupatta pattern is there with same blocks or something like that one. And after that, one question is there to complete the pattern, to make the pattern. Okay. So can you see how Tinu has made different patterns using same blocks? Now you to make three different patterns using this sign. This sign. Here you have to make the pattern of a different three patterns you will make by using this sign. One sign is given here, and you have to make pattern your own way. Okay. So this will be your answer. It is not necessary that everyone will draw the same pattern. You can do your own pattern. You can make your own pattern, and three pattern you can make using these blocks. But you have to use only these blocks. Other than this block you will not use. Okay. So if you are using other than this block, then that will be wrong answer. Okay. After that, on next page 109, this Yamini has used her blocks to make a few patterns, help her to take these patterns forward. So she has made the pattern. She made the pattern using leaves. Okay. This one block, it is the one leaf is there, so that is also called the block. And using this block, she has made one pattern, and you have to continue this pattern. You have to complete the box. Okay. So same design. Here it will. You can see that first in the first box there is only one leaf. In second there are two is there. In third three is there. In fourth four is there. And after that in fifth again one comes. So again one comes means same thing it will be repeated. So next it will be 2 and then 3 and then 4. And in this way you will continue the pattern. Okay. Here in the remaining this second line is there. You can see that in first one arrow is in the upside, and in second one arrow is downside. 2 and then 3 is taken upside and then 3 downside. And now we will take the 4 arrow upside and then 4 arrow downside and then 5 arrow upside. These are very easy. Here in the third one you can see that the orange color part of the circle is just moving into clockwise. It is moving clockwise. Do you know the clockwise? Yes, children. Do you know the clockwise? What do you mean by the clockwise? What do you mean by clockwise? Can you tell me? What is the clockwise and anti-clockwise? So because we will use these words, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So what do you mean by clockwise? Clockwise rotation. Can you tell me? Anybody? What is the clockwise? In a way, clock moves. Yes, very good. Akansa, you are saying that correct answer is moving in real clock. Real clock and virtual clock. What do you mean by the real clock and virtual clock? Whenever the things are moving in the direction of the clock, in what direction the clock is moving, the hands of the clocks are moving, that is called the clockwise direction. And if we are taking the opposite to that one, then it becomes the anti-clockwise. Okay. For example, if the hour hand and minute hand is at 12 and then it go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this one. So this becomes the clockwise. And if from 12 it is going to the 11, 10 opposite direction, then it becomes the anti-clockwise. Is it clear? So here this quarter part of the circle orange color is moving in a clockwise. So you have to just move the clockwise one by one, and then you have to complete. Then it will come to the left side. Next picture, it will come the left side on the top, and then right side on the top, and then right side in the bottom, like this one. It will continue. Okay. And after that, you can see that we can make we can also make patterns with numbers and letters. Below are a few examples. Can you make them forward? So here some examples are there. You have done in third standard also. So all these I think you can do with this one. Here A, B, C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, and then you see that it is started the next letters. This is after A, B, C, after that D is coming, and then after F, G is coming, and then after I, which letter will come? After I, which letter will come? What will come the next? In next oval? Next oval? Yes, J. Not only J. What is the complete thing? Is there one oval? After J, K, L. Yes, very good. This Vasishtha is saying that correct answer J, K, L. And then after L, it will come M, N, P. Then after that M, J, K, L. Then M, N, O. M, N, O. And after that P, Q, R. Is it clear? P, Q, R. Like this one, you will complete it. Next is the 28Z, 27Y, 26X. You can see that the numbers are coming in the backward direction, reverse direction. So that is the one by one you have to make the lesson, and the letters are also coming the backward direction. That is the reverse order. Okay. So before 26 there is 25, and before X there is what? W. Okay. Before X, this is the W. How many? That 27 will not come. Before 26 it will come 25. It will come 25. Okay. Then it is the 25W, and then it comes 24, and then before W it will come V. Yes, very good. So before W it will come V, and then before 24 it will come 23, and then before V it will come U. So 23U. Is it clear? Same way the next one is there, 864. 864, 764, 664. This it is decreasing by 100. It is decreasing by 100. So you have to decrease by 100. You have to do minus 100. Okay. So then before this next step will come. This is 564, then 464, and then 364. Okay. Now next line is 109, 209, and then it will come 309, 309, then 409, and then 509. Okay. So in this way we can complete these patterns, and below that now write your own number pattern. So here you can make your own pattern by using any numbers you can take, and you can make. So just you can take the table of any number, table of 8, table of 9, table of 10, like this one you can do. You can make your pattern. Okay. And another way also. And I will give you some number pattern and shape pattern also. So just I am writing some extra pattern, and just you understand here. So question will be here. Just first I will rub it, and then I will write some more pattern, number pattern, and letter pattern, and then shape pattern. Okay. So we will discuss more. Yes, and you can note down in your notebook also because these patterns, whenever you will write, you will make the practice if you are completing in your notebook. Otherwise, you have to see the video again and again. Okay, and just you can write on your notebook and you can answer it simultaneously, and later it will be useful for you to. For the practice purpose. For the practice purpose, you will do this one. Okay. So question is here: complete the pattern set. Complete the pattern set. Okay. Now A part write here A B B C C D D E. Dash, dash, and dash. Three more you have to write. Three more you have to write. Just you complete it, and last I will ask it. A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E. And then dash, dash. Okay? Now, C part, A, B, and then D, E, and then G, H, then J, K. Then D part is there, A, Z, comma, B, Y, and then C, X, and D, W. And then E part, it is M, N, L, O, K, P, J, Q, F, F part, 2AB, 4, CD, 6, CF, and then G part, it is 3Z, 6Y, 9X, 12W, and H part, it is 100 AC, 100 AC, this is 98 EG, 98 EG, 96 IP. These are some patterns which we have to complete. Okay, so let us start. First one, A, B, B, C, C, D and D, E. Now you have to answer. पहले आपने यहाँ क्या आंसर लिखा वो मुझे अब कमेंट बॉक्स में नहीं दिखेगा, वो चला गया ऊपर। अब आपको बताना है, मेरे साथ साथ चलना है और इसके बाद करना है। तो डी ई के बाद में क्या आएगा? तो वेरी फर्स्ट है, we have to understand that what is the pattern. पैटर्न क्या है उसको हमको पहले फाइंड करना है। ओके, उसके बाद हम आगे उसके बढ़ सकते हैं। अगर हम ये पता नहीं कर पाएंगे कि पैटर्न क्या है तो हम कुछ भी लिख देंगे, then that will be wrong. तो first of all we have to find out that what is pattern. Okay, what sequence is there? First we read one time, two time. This is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. You see that this second one is started with the second part is the second thing is started with the last letter of the first one. Okay, so this is started with B here, started with C, started with D, then it will started with the E. So here it will be E F, then it will started with F G, then it started with G, then this is G H. In that way we can find. Now second one, you see A B C B C D C D E. Just you can see that it is started with the middle letter. It is started with the middle letter. Next one is started with middle letter. This is B C D and then C D E with the middle letter. So here we will start with the D here. Okay. Writing the three letters D E F, then E F G, and then F G H, like this one. Then here it is A B D E G H. Here nothing is repeated, कोई भी चीज repeated नहीं है, लेकिन और कुछ है इसके बीच में, कुछ पैटर्न और है. तो यहाँ पे क्या चीज हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कि क्या इसमें हुआ है, कुछ प्लस हुआ है, कुछ माइनस हुआ है, कुछ छूटा है, कुछ क्या हुआ है, हमको ये चीज फाइंड करना है. ओके, तो यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए, यहाँ पर ए बी है और फिर डी ई है, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, कैसे ये आया, ए बी के बाद में डी ई कैसे आया, क्या हुआ इसमें, क्या आगे क्या नई चीज में निकाली हमने. कौन है सी व्हाट, सी को क्या करना है, सी को क्या करना है, सी इज मिसिंग. वेरी गुड अनूप कुमार सिंह. ओके, सी इज मिसिंग देयर. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्ट सी means that C is missing here. So you can see that it is AB is here and then D is here and C is missing. Means one letter is missing. One letter is missing. Now everywhere you have to miss one letter. Next letter you have to miss it. So here D is there, then F is missing, G H there, I is missing, then it is here J K is there, then what letter should be missed? What letter should be missed here? In the next one, what letter should be missed? Missed. What letter should be missed? Yes. What letter should be missed there? Anybody? What letter should be missed? L, J, K, and then L should be missed. Okay, very good. When J, K, L mixed, then it will come M. M, and then M. And again O will be mixed, then P, and then Q, PQ, and then R will be mixed, and then it is S, and then T. So one by one letter is missing. Yes, Anklesariya is saying the correct answer M, N, P, Q, S, T. Very good. Now we see the D part. D part is there A, Z, D, Y, C, X, D, W. What happens here? What happens here? Now you tell me what happens here. यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? यहाँ पर क्या किया हमने? हाँ? First है S T, and that will be I'm talking about the D part. What happened here? A, J, D, Y, C, X, D, W. What happens here? Now tell me. One letter from the last, one letter from the first, and one letter from the last. Yes, very good. So we take it here. So this is A, Z. First letter, last letter. Then it will be the second letter, second last. Third letter, third last. Fourth letter, fourth last. And then it will come E, that is fifth letter, and fifth last. Then what will come? That will come U. B. It will come here B. That is E, and before W it is B. Okay? And then F, before B U. Okay? And then G, and before U T. Okay? So you can check out. आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं कैसे A B C D E F G okay and then you are coming the back side are coming S T U V W X Y Z which is okay. So in that way we can check our answer. Okay, here it is MM L O K P J Q. What happens here? What happens here now? What happens here? Yes, anybody can tell what happens here? MM L O K P J Q. We are just moving one letter back and other letter forward. First letter back side, reverse side, and second letter forward side. Okay. So here M L K J. Before J, what will come? Before J, what will come? This come I. And after 2 it is R. Then before I it is H. And after R S. And then before H G. And after S it is R. Now you can check. And it is from this side you can see G X I J K L M. Okay, G X I J K L M and N O P Q R S. Sorry, here it is T. After S it is T. It is T. N O P Q R S T. Like this we can do. Okay. So this is answer. Now F part is there. 2 AB 4 CD 6 EF. Then the table of 2 is there. 2 4 6. Then it will come 8. Then 10 and then 12. Okay. Now AB CD EF. Then it will come GH. Then IJ. And then KL. Okay. Now G bar 3Z 6Y 9X 12W. It is here. The table of 3 is there. So 3, 6, 9, 12. And then we write here 15. Then 18. And then 21. This is the table of 3. And then it is Z, Y, X. Opposite direction, reverse order. It is Z, before Z, Y, before Y, X, before X, W, and then before W, V, and before V, U, and before U, T. Okay? And then you can see S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Now H part. We go to H part. Here 100 AC. 98 FEG, 96 IK. It means here you can see the numbers are coming in the backward direction, reverse direction. So it is 100, 98, 96. Decreasing by 2. So 96 minus 2, 94, 94 minus 2, 92, and then minus 2, 90. Now we come to the letter AC and then EG. What is the relation? What is the missing or what is adding? What is missing or what is adding? Anything? You tell me. What is missing or what is adding there? Letters. Tell me letters. What should come? Yes, anybody? B is missing. Very good. B is missing. And then after that, what is missing? D is missing. So, one by one letter is missing here. One by one letter is missing. Here you see the B is missing and then here D. After C, this is D. D is missing, then it becomes E. Then F missing, then G, then H missing, I, then J missing, K, then L missing, and then it will come M. Okay? L missing, M. With N missing, then O. It will come O. And then P missing, then Q. And then R missing, S. And then S, T will missed. T will be missed. Then S, T, U. And then V will be missed. And then it will become W. Is it clear? Now tell me, if you have any doubt, then you tell me. Anybody has any doubt? Now can you do this one? This type of pattern can you do? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay? So this is the pattern of mixture of letters and numbers. Either letters only, some missing or jumping or in reverse order, forward direction, reverse direction. So these things are there for the first of all, these are the only letters, and then these are the letters and the numbers. And then our next class we will do the pattern of numbers. Numerical things we will take, the numbers we will take, and we will complete the pattern containing numbers only. Okay, so these children, just I have made it, it is not given in your textbook, so in that way it is not necessary in your exam, in your test, that whatever it is given in the textbook, then only it will be asked, or what is taught in the class, then it will be asked only. So pattern, there are the unlimited number of patterns, there are so many patterns are there, and any type of pattern can be made. But whenever we are making pattern, then there must be some sequence in repeating. It will be repeated in a particular sequence, then only the pattern will be formed, otherwise pattern will not be formed. Is it clear? Any doubt to anybody? Okay, so I think no doubt there. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the next class, and then we will discuss this again. Okay, so bye bye and have a nice day.